we can promote it proudly. No problem. And everywhere I proudly express that I will take some.
Yeah, definitely, because hard work shows that one. Okay, you are hard. That's why I told it today. Diamonds SNE, but it's a very hard thing. It is not easy to get.
Actually,
Now,
it's starting.
yes. So actually, in Bangladesh, one thing is very missing because you people are very. I seen that from because I came from Maharashtra. Maharashtra also leading leaders are there, but not that much what you are doing the business in the lot of things you are doing, lot of initiative you are doing, and what support you are getting from the gents leaders now, especially by Mesan and other leaders,
Yes.
that in India even they are not getting. Okay,
Yeah,
I
lucky.
see.
Yeah,
Okay,
lucky.
so but you are lucky that one.
Yeah.
But you are not using the proper whatever support you are getting now. What I see, it's now your responsibility because when I was appointed in Maharashtra also, my first training was for the training for the ladies because there was no speakers of the ladies. So I told no, lady speakers should come. Why? Ladies have a one power. That power is the selling capacity. They can sell anything because they are too much talkable. Okay, but as a gents we are just very shy. I need to talk or not because suppose I am working in this position. If I will talk about taste, so what people will think. But you people will not think. Ladies will not think much. They will act immediately.
Talk much.
So this is the best part. This is the best part. Sometimes they understand. Sometimes they did not understand. Second thing, you can enter anybody's kitchen. We can't. We can go maximum. Okay, we can't go and see which type of tea, which type of coffee they are using. When you are entering anybody's kitchen, you can say, oh, this tea, oh, this is not good. I have a one tea. Like, you can suggest that. Okay.
Yes.
So this is the best part, best power you can say. So this is an opportunity for you. That now self-employment is much. You can see people are going for the garment factories. Ladies are going for the even my rented factory. Our rented factory is going to start. So we told that 3 gents production managers and purchase managers will be there, but we need ladies who can work there. Okay, because why they are taking? They are taking only. I'm telling about cigarettes, man. I'm taking. They are taking only because if you take a gents employee compared to gents employee, if a gents employee is taking 20,000 taka, you need to give only 15,000, 12,000 taka to ladies. They will
There
come.
is a less budget. Pay less, but
And their working attitude
They provide
and
more.
they will
Yeah, they provide
very trustable and they is whatever thing they will do now, they will do more perfectly than gents. So all companies will whatever think, okay, then definitely we need require the ladies because they are doing the work faster, properly, perfect and with lowest wage. Okay. Now you have an opportunity that in Bangladesh, lot of ladies you can see going in garments and other factories are there.
Right.
So definitely they need money. They are going for only money now because for surviving their family. Now slowly you need to convert that ladies to start their self business because now world has changed. Now ladies are in top positions in the companies. Okay, and definitely in Bangladesh government also supporting.
Yes.
It's the best part to you. Our Bangladesh PM is a lady,
Yeah.
and lot of lady ministers are there. They are supporting with them. So definitely Bangladesh is a
In
very
business
good
area
country.
also
They are
ladies
supporting
are-
for the ladies and business also.
Business also.
I meet one of my
Yes.
DXL
BJP,
friend. He said
president is
that they are
also
opening a supermarket online business,
Yes.
and that business one of the IT company owner that is a ladies. Ladies, yeah. Now ladies are coming in Bangladesh. They are taking a charge of the big positions because they have a ability, they have a power. Allah given a double power because they can do the work. Even whatever power man have na, they have Allah given double or triple power for the women. But some women understand, some did not understand because you people are taking care of the house also and taking care of the business also, taking care of the job also and everything. You are managing. So your mental power is very strong. That's why you are managing each and everything. If you told Asan or me, na, after business you come and cook. Will cook. So, no, you do. It is better to you. Okay, because our mental power and your mental power is different category. So you have a very strong mental power, body power also you people have a very good. So you need to utilize and convert this opportunity, spread this mission like a self-employment mission to the ladies. If you are definitely 15,000 taka a lady getting from a company, if she will get 20,000 taka from DXN, definitely they will leave because they can spend more and more time with family.
Yes.
By earning more,
money freedom,
they can say
freedom.
money freedom is there, travel freedom is there, and lots of ladies I see in India, they are just started as a time pass. More than 10 lakh meet that ladies, and they are uneducated. One of our fastest crown ambassador in world, that is a lady, okay, who from Saudi Arabia, fastest 2 crown ambassadors. And from India, it is a Dharamshila madam. She is a uneducated. She don't know how to talk on that time. Now she is firing on the stage because now she's earning more than 10 lakh, 15 lakhs rupees. Indian money monthly she is earning, and she don't have any child. So what they don't doing this money? They are helping the childs. That they taken 5 or 10 children. They are taking their all expenses and studying all good things that they are doing. But they are motivating the other ladies also. Now ladies have a lot of opportunities because gents already have a job, business and all these things they have. But you definitely you people want some extra income. You need to support your family now in today's life. As if I will say my family, even my wife is a MCom. So she was working, but after delivery and baby was there, so now she left. But I keep him involved. I keep him involved where I can involve. She can sit in the house, but I told no. You keep him involved. I bring in Shunya. So she studied Shunya, teaching Shunya, all these things he's doing, and she's helping me. I given some. You prepare this poster and all these things. Previously she don't know how to prepare. I told you prepare. Then she started preparing. She learned one skill, preparing the poster, good posters. You see in this posters, na, that Shunya posters.
Yes.
All she is preparing and sent to me. Not prepared by company. He is preparing to me and sent to. I am forwarding that. So I am involving her to involve in the all other activities. When she will come here, definitely I will involve other activities. You people, you can invite. She will involve. So ladies want some recognitions. They want some extra income. They want their own space in house also and in other places also. Okay. So you are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 people have a very big responsibility to bring more and more ladies power, ladies empowerment. You can say that bring more and more ladies in your team. Okay, when we see next time, so definitely more than gents leaders, ladies leaders should be there.
Inshallah.
Okay. So definitely, if you bring your sale, you can see. That's what I am telling you. If you can see your sale, Bihar, why it is number 1? Because when you see earning, number of earning, you can see all our ladies. More than 70%, 50,000 above rupees, Indian money rupees, who are earning. That is numbers we take, gents or ladies? Ladies. That's why Bihar is number 1 in DXN world. When you take